Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Flash Beyond the Controller. Today we're playing Slime Rancher. I've actually played the first Slime Rancher game and it was absolutely amazing. I'll definitely recommend it. Today we're going to be playing the second game. I cannot actually show you the first game. I cannot actually play that, sadly, but we still do have Slime Rancher 2. Alright, without anything else, let's get into it. Alright, so I've played this game before. I did a little off camera playing. Like, I didn't do anything too crazy. Alright, so basically, I'm just gonna head back to the ranch. Oh, I'm going the wrong way. Oh yeah, there's the ranch. Oh. So for you who have already played Slime Rancher, already know how to play it, seen people play it, or whatever, right? It's pretty similar. This is our new ranch. Ranch of lots of ports. These are my slimes, our coop. This is a corral I built. There used to be tabby slimes and philosopher slimes here, but yeah, that didn't work out, so I had to get rid of them. We just sell the plorts. So basically, when you feed your slimes, they poop out plorts, which you sell to people. It's a very weird concept, but it's the game. Here's some pink slimes. I don't actually need them, honestly. They're just like, pink slimes, they will eat anything, but they're not that useful. Like, they barely make any money. My little chicken coop. Little yolk slime. It actually loves being with chickens, and every now and then it'll actually lay a giant egg. Really useful. Alright, so let me just upload. So there's a few basic upgrades, nothing too fancy going on here. So I think what I want to do first is I want to see why do I have my chickens with me? I was gonna do something with them. Basically, what I think we should do today is that we're going to go and find some new slimes. It's kind of the basis of the game. So so we're going to just look for some slimes. Oh, some more of these. Some pink quartz. Not worth much, but they're free. Might as well. This is just a natural slime area. Just taking veggies, carrots to feed to my slimes. Oh, some fruit. This is my little gun backpack thingy. Use it to suck up items and put them in your inventory, or you can also shoot them out. So yeah, we got a few big slimes. When a slime eats another slime's plort, they become a big boy slime. They basically just become a giant slime. Let's take a few fruits. Let's take these. Just filling up on fruits. What's here? Oh, it's like a little cave thing. Just take these carrots. Alright. So I've explored the map a little bit, but I didn't explore it too much. That's a chicken. I think I'm gonna go down here. I'll put points. Alright. Oh, carrots. Just fill up on this. Something deeper, right? Well, and I can also harvest items. So as you can see, I just harvested some items with my little gun thingy-majig. Looks like that's the end. I gotta go back now. Turning night. A few caution boards, honestly, I don't really find them too useful. Some Q berries. Q berries. Yeah, that's better. I'll take some Q berries. Some slimes love these and they actually produce 2 plots. Different slimes have different favorite foods. If you feed them their favorite food... Oh, it's a tabby slime. I found these before. They actually like meat. I'll get rid of these then. The Q berries. I don't want this. I want the tabs. Tabby slimes now. Actually, we don't need to. See, this is basically a little refinery ring. So you can just shove different items in here. And basically, the items you put in here, you can use them to make new stuff. Yeeted. Oh, what? Take a few tabby clothes. Oh, it's a Largo. Largo is pretty cool. What the hell, bro? I just shot the menu. What happened? Okay, for some reason it's not accepting my reports. Shoot one in. By the way, this is like bees everywhere that do stuff. If you wanna read it, there it is. I already read it before. I'm not really going to get into it in detail about that stuff. I think I'm gonna go back. Couldn't find any slimes. Oh wait, this guy. I'm actually just gonna feed him food. Once you feed them enough food, you'll see what happens. More. Oh, there we go. He's full. And he explodes. And he basically spit out. What's that? I'm flying. There you go, little reward. So basically that brings me here. I can't actually cross this area yet. I need a special item called the jetpack. Which I don't have. Sadly. What? Oh, this is tar! No. Tars are when Tars are created when slimes. When a slime eats, it's 3 different types of dwarfs. A tar becomes. They eat slimes and ranchers. I don't know how to fight these dudes. We throw it in the ocean. That'll help. I threw them in the ocean. Let's fight the rest of them. They're really annoying. They just destroy everything. This special upgrade. What is this? This tabby clothes. The special upgrade that basically lets you I can fly. And now I'm up here. That basically lets you. Oh, that's the price. Basically, what it does is it will let you shoot water. Water can destroy these guys. I do not. Oh my god. What is this? What? Ember Valley. Oh, I discovered a new place. Cool. Might have some new slimes, actually. I'm so happy fall damage is such a thing in this game. I don't know why I have pink slimes here. Maybe just chill. Oh, pogo fruit. I'll take some of those. Oh, tabby slime. Oh, I'll take those tabbies. Looking for a new slime. Oh, there's some slimes. What are these? Rocky slime? Oh, there's another new slime. Wait, no. You. Wait, what? Give me. Oh, let me eat one of them. What did I just say? Give me? Oh, they eat meat too, right? I'm getting a rock slimes and mushrooms. Let me fly with this. Let me fly. What's up here? Support. Some cool stuff. Let's see what else is here. I don't know why these guys are angry at me. Chill. Oh, peace. Oh, let's just hop into here. Ooh, some water. Huh. Oh wait, what is that new slime? What is the angry slime? What's the angry slime? Looks like these guys like a lot of water, so I have to build a water corral. Oh. Cool. Alright, I'm gonna go back. Oh, there's another rock slime. What the hell? What's this? Money. I'll take a tabby slime with me. These guys are just hungry, I guess. Chill, our food, peace, food. Oh, I wanna go through there. I'm just gonna run. Sea hen. Yo, that's way cooler than these. Hey guys, you can have these. Alright, take these. Boom. Did it just actually roast my favorite movie? Doesn't even know my favorite movie. I don't know how to get back from here actually. Oh, did I get stuck? I swear. No, there actually has to be a way. Oh no, there's tongs! What? Come here. I'll fight you off. Fire! Firing them off into the ocean. That'll destroy them. Alright. The coast is clear. I don't know how to escape from here though. Ow. Alright, I'm just gonna land here. What? Oh, it's another angle slime. Run! I need to figure out a way to leave, because I'm actually stuck here right now. What's back here? Cool, I found a new area. Oh, this is an old angle slime. Baddie slime. Alright, tabby slime, now you can leave. I have plenty of new slimes. We found plenty of new slimes today. What's this? Wow. Well guys, we found a new area, got plenty of new slimes, we even found a new type of chicken. I think that's enough for one day. That's gonna wrap us up for today. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. And bye.